So I was actually in Target again, and then I saw these flavors, and I'll check them out. I'll let you know how they are. I was actually out for most of the day, so we'll see what's up. Chocolate peanut butter, my favorite. It tastes way better than the chocolate with just the water, cookies and cream. This one's alright. Kind of disappointing because I do like chocolate. Caramel. It's alright. Bananas. So this is how I rank them. This is number 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th one. And then these would be in order as well. So this would be the 5th, 6th, and then 7th. This is the worst one in my opinion.